Hello fitness enthusiasts and gym goers, it's time to master the decline bench press. This exercise has its own set of unique benefits, like specifically targeting your lower chest muscles and taking some strain off your shoulders. In this video, we'll be covering everything you need to know, from setting up your equipment to identifying and correcting common mistakes. So, whether you're a seasoned lifter or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. So brace yourselves and get ready to lift. First things first, you'll need a decline bench and a barbell. These are the foundational tools for our exercise. You might also need weight plates and clips depending on your strength level. The decline bench is unique as it allows us to target the lower chest muscles more intensely. Adjusting the bench to the right angle is crucial. Aim for an angle that's around 30 degrees. This should give you a comfortable yet effective position. With the bench set, you're one step closer to that perfect decline press. Now that we're set, it's time to position ourselves on the bench. Lying down on the decline bench is all about stability. Your feet should be well anchored and your back pressed firmly against the padding. This creates a solid base and prevents any unnecessary movement during the lift. Now let's talk about grip. A wider grip targets the chest more, while a narrower grip brings the triceps into play. Your grip should be comfortable and secure, allowing for a smooth, controlled motion. Remember, comfort and safety are key here. Alright, now it's time to press some weights. When unracking the barbell, it's crucial to maintain control. Remember, it's not just about lifting the weight, but how you lift it. From a secure grip, lower the barbell with control to your lower chest. Breathe in, hold, and then push it back up as you exhale. The ascent should be as controlled as the descent, focusing on the lower chest. Now, let's touch on some common mistakes. Overarching your back can lead to strain and injury. A neutral spine position is key to a safe and effective decline bench press. Also, keep an eye on your elbows. Flaring them out too wide can put unnecessary stress on the shoulder joint. Instead, maintain a safe elbow angle, about 45 degrees from your body. Avoid these common mistakes and you're well on your way to a better bench press. Great job. Now let's wrap this up. After your final repetition, remember to safely rack the barbell back on the decline bench. Never skip this step. It's crucial for preventing accidental injuries. And let's not forget about the cool down. A good stretch after your workout can do wonders for your recovery. Remember, consistency is key, so keep training, and don't forget to share your progress in the comments below. Until next time, stay fit.